Hey everybody, welcome to Cash Mojo. In today's video, we're going to go over 10 ways to make money online for 2022. Make sure to watch until the end of the video because it's one of the most amazing methods I've ever seen. If your goal is to become financially independent and make passive income, then you've come to the right place. Now that you're here, let's get straight into the video. Here are 10 ways to make money online for 2022. Number 1. Start an Amazon business. Amazon is one of the largest companies in the world, and if you want your product to arrive in front of your door in a day or two, then Amazon is your go-to. You could do something like sell on Amazon, or should I say fulfillment by Amazon. We've had experience selling Amazon Kindle ebooks, and all we did was do market research to see what's selling well on Kindle. We also hired a ghostwriter to write our ebooks, then got a graphic designer to put the cover together, and then finally publish it on the KDP Amazon Kindle website. We thought it was a very simple process and we think anybody can do this. There's so many ways you can make money from Amazon. You can find something that's called Amazon Associate, which is an affiliate marketing program that allows you to promote Amazon products and get paid a commission for each sale. Number 2, content creation. This is undeniably the most popular way of earning money today. There seems to be no limits in the world of entertainment right now, as anyone can create videos on their phones through apps like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and so much more. You'd never run out of ideas for sure, because content creation is so broad and there's a whole lot of topics or niches to try. You can even start off by doing a little passion project that you want, like giving away a few bucks to anyone you meet on the street or cleaning someone else's backyard for free. Creativity does play a huge role in content creation, and people like to engage in contents that are unique and entertaining. Again, those are two broad terms, and if you want to make things work, you gotta harness the inner creative juices you have. Pick your niche, do a little research, create content, boost your online presence to market your content, and with the right metrics, get monetized per video, and businesses will come knocking at your channel for sponsorships. The next thing to do, repeat the process over and over in the same niche or try another in the future. Nothing sounds more satisfying than earning from doing things you're passionate about, right? Number 3, Amazon FBA. Now, having Amazon here on our list makes it sound much complicated to venture on, but once you find about the basics, you might want to add this to your leads. Amazon is the biggest online retailer in the world, with over 33 billion net income and employed almost 2 million people in 2021. Amazon definitely attracts a lot of businesses, especially when they launch Amazon FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon, which means you can let Amazon do all the work once a customer buys your product on the Amazon platform that includes shipping, collecting payments, processing returns, and even advertising your products on their website. So, where do you start? There are a bunch of business models to try and sell products on Amazon. Two of the most popular models are private labeling and wholesaling. The key difference is that wholesalers purchase and resell existing branded products, while private labelers buy products from the manufacturer and make a few tweaks on it and selling it as their own. Number 4, Amazon KDP. I know we touched on this before, but this is an exciting opportunity you don't want to pass up. This is another amazing Amazon platform for authors and even just like you and me who's looking for passive income online. You heard that right. You can publish your book on Amazon KDP even if you're not an author. So how is this possible? After setting up an account, you can already start publishing right away. All you need to prepare is your book cover and your manuscript, or the book content of what you want to publish. Amazon KDP usually reviews your book within 72 hours. For aspiring authors, you can publish anything fiction or non-fiction or any high content books. The good thing is, you can also publish low content books, such as kids' coloring books, blank notebooks, and journals, logbooks, and many more. In this case, you can just simply use content editing tools like Canva or Creative Fabrica for your book templates for free, or go premium to access all of their services. Once your books are approved by Amazon KDP, it will now be live on the platform and people can buy it. You'll receive a royalty income per sale of your book, which will be credited to your bank account per month. Number 5, Merch by Amazon. Alright, it seems that Amazon is really leading the way here. Similar to how Amazon KDP works, this print-on-demand services allows you to create t-shirt designs on Amazon for free. Unless you hire a designer for your merch, you receive royalties when a customer buys your shirt by just uploading your designs in the system, customizing t-shirt colors that goes with your design, and setting a price. And, as usual, letting Amazon do the rest. So, which tools do you need to design your t-shirts? There are actually a lot, and if you're a pro at this, you definitely know which tools are the best. But hey, don't worry. This business is not exclusive to pros alone. You can try using Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or Canva, which is the simplest on the list in terms of designing. You can maximize your earning potential by selling your designs on other platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, and Teespring for free too. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of this many times when you watch your favorite YouTuber or TikTok influencer promote products with links in the description box. That's simply what you call affiliate marketing. So, how do you earn from sharing links on your social media account? When you promote other people's product through an affiliate link, you'll begin earning an affiliate commission when someone orders that exact product through the link in your description. Now, who is eligible to apply for affiliation? The best answer is everyone. However, affiliate companies set a minimum standard for their affiliates to qualify, like a few thousand following on social media, subscribers on YouTube, or a huge traffic on your website. But again, this depends on the company. Some popular affiliate companies are ShareASale affiliates, Amazon affiliates, eBay partners, and Shopify affiliate program. Number 7. Selling digital products on Etsy. This definitely is one of the hottest trends on Etsy today. People don't just buy physical products, but printable and downloadable forms as well. Works the same way with Amazon, KDP, and Merch by Amazon. But here on Etsy, you can actually sell a digital file of your own artwork like logos, templates, custom WordPress themes, and even fonts. After setting up your account, you can list your digital products and set a price for them. For Etsy sellers, they usually sell products by the bundle or set especially for printable artwork and templates. Once somebody buys your product, you don't need to worry about shipping. They'll be able to download the product directly on their computer or phones. It doesn't get out of stock unless you set a quantity prior to posting the product. You can use photo editing tools like Photoshop, Adobe, Illustrator, or simply Canva in creating your designs. Number 8. Coaching or selling courses online. This is basically converting your expertise into money. And the good thing is, a lot of people are willing to invest in learning a skill, which in turn would put value in the money they paid you in the future. If you have a certain field of expertise like e-commerce, copywriting, programming, or even in self-development, then it's definitely a very good opportunity for you to earn thousands a month. One common advantage between you and the people in general is that everything is online. You can create a course outline using the computer, and people can even learn a skill in the comforts of their home. In fact, a lot of free information are already on YouTube, but there are many people that want something more comprehensive than watching an entire 4-hour tutorial video on selling on Amazon or trading in stocks. Number 9. Building a website. The great popularity of the internet has undeniably opened a lot of money-making opportunities to a lot of people. From businesses to content creators, the list is immeasurable. When you think of the impact of technological advancements we have today, our ninth income generating method today is building websites. Believe it or not, you can build one for your own in a matter of days or even hours. You don't need to be an expert web developer or programmer with the help of web hosting sites like Wix, GoDaddy, WordPress, Bluehost, and many more. Now, how will you earn money from building a website? The most common option as you started would be posting blogs, depending on what niche you're into. You might want to learn SEO and data analytics as well as to gauge your website traffic. The better the traffic, the more earnings it is for you. Some of the ways to monetize your website includes advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Before we get to the end of the video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Number 10, starting a podcast. While this falls under the content creation category, we want to feature this method as it gets extremely popular today, and people are generating lots of money from it. Interested? Let's dive right in. So, why should you start a podcast today? Well, there are loads of reasons why. A good one would be because you have something you're passionate about, and you want to share it to the rest of the world, right? The thing with content creation is that you need to build a solid audience and listenership on your platform. How will you be able to do that then? People have a great sense of decoding this passion from other people. Most of the time, we get hooked to a video of a person who plants and cultivates potatoes in his backyard, and we begin to appreciate this person because we see how genuine his passion is. Then we hit subscribe and the rest is history. As you may already know at this point, content creators primarily earn money from ads or sponsorships. Establishing a brand and injecting passion into your podcast is vital, enough that it brings money into your pocket, and the amount of audience you bring to your channel is what businesses love. Some podcast making apps you can use are Anchor, which is powered by Spotify, Auditude, and Podbean, and the podcast software like Audacity and Audition. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.